did, did, did. Play, played. She played yesterday. Did play. Did she play yesterday? Did she play yesterday? Did she play yesterday? Swim, swam. She swam yesterday. Did swim. Did she swim yesterday? Did she swim yesterday? Did she swim yesterday? Did she swim yesterday?
Yes, she did. Yes, she did.
Did she swim yesterday?
No, she didn't. No, she didn't.
Did he read yesterday? Did he read yesterday?
Yes, he did. No, he didn't.
Did it rain yesterday? Did it rain yesterday?
Yes, it did. No, it didn't.
Did we sing yesterday? Did we sing yesterday?
Yes, we did. No, we didn't.
Did they come yesterday? Did they come yesterday?
Yes, they did. No, they didn't.
Did I call yesterday? Did I call yesterday?
Yes, you did. No, you didn't.
Did you walk yesterday? Did you walk yesterday?
Yes, I did. No, I didn't.